What distinguishes perpendicular lines from other intersecting lines? Imagine two roads crossing each other at exactly a right angle. That perfect crossing is what makes perpendicular lines stand out from other lines that just happen to cross. When lines intersect, they form angles, but not all angles are the same. Perpendicular lines always meet at a 90-degree angle, which is the most important thing that sets them apart. You might see lines crossing at sharp angles like 20 or 30 degrees, or at wide angles like 120 degrees. These are just regular intersecting lines, not perpendicular. The key difference is the 90-degree angle. It's like the corner of a square or a rectangle, perfectly straight and square. In geometry, we use a special symbol to show when lines are perpendicular. It looks like a small upside-down T or a right angle symbol. For example, if line A is perpendicular to line B, we write it as a perpendicular to B. This notation tells us right away that the lines meet at that perfect 90-degree angle. When two lines are perpendicular, the point where they cross is called the foot of the perpendicular. It's the exact spot where the lines meet at that right angle. And this property works both ways. If line A is perpendicular to line B, then line B is also perpendicular to line A. It's a two-way street. You can see perpendicular lines in many everyday objects. Think of the corners of a room, the edges of a book, or the axes on a graph. When you look at a clock, the hands at 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock are at right angles, making them perpendicular. Perpendicular lines are very important in shapes like squares and rectangles. They help us build right angles, which are essential for many geometric shapes. When drawing or constructing shapes, tools like a protractor or a ruler help us make sure the lines are exactly 90 degrees. So, what makes perpendicular lines different from other lines that cross? It's that perfect 90-degree angle. That simple, straight, right angle is what makes them special and useful in so many parts of geometry and real life.